Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about skincare for women. I've just recently shot a skincare for men video with my husband, so I thought why not do a skincare for women. I will tell you all the things that I use and have been using for many years, and I love using them. I prefer using them on a day-to-day basis, but कुछ चीज़ें हैं जैसे face mask हैं, sheet masks हैं, and that extra skincare वो once in a week or once in a few days I try to do जब time मिल जाए, most likely if I'm not lazy or tired. Um, why are we talking about skincare is because अगर आपका skin is not in good condition, or if you have a lot of bumps and acne, uneven skin tone है, texture है, dark spots हैं, तो आप जितना मर्जी मेकअप लगा लो वो और awkward लगता है. Your makeup is not going to hide it, it will just make it even more noticeable, कि लगेगा कि सही में इतना layering करके कुछ छुपाया हुआ है, and that is not right. So the key to having a good makeup day or just having a good makeup is having good skincare. Number one is good health. मैंने I think पिछली या उससे पिछली वीडियो में mention किया था. Having good health, eat healthy, drink lots of fluids, lots of juices, water. Chai, coffee कम पियो. Those are obviously not good for your system. Balanced diet, exercise if you can. Working out, exercise से भी blood flow circulation normal होता है, and it's actually really good for your skin. If you were to go and see a doctor also, या आप online Google search भी करो, you will find out why working out or exercising is also good for you. Even if you can go out for a walk, that's really good. The number one step I prefer using, especially गर्मियों में and ये hot humid weather में, is to rub ice on my face. Rubbing ice will obviously close your pores temporarily, and it's good for your skin. Blood circulation is also good. The skin feels nice and cool. Pores, like I mentioned, it's good for your pores. It closes it down. If you have acne, pimples हो जाते हैं, be it during to your be it because of your periods, you may be PMSing, or if you're eating unhealthy, ज़्यादा मीठा, ज़्यादा oily, unhealthy food की वजह से भी acne pimples होते हैं. Ice is the number one remedy for all of that. Pimples, to keep my pimples at bay, once I start getting it, आपको पता चल जाता है कि पिंपल हो रहा है या होने वाला है, और it's gonna grow out, थोड़ा पेन होता है. I prefer using a tea tree oil. ये प्योर एसेंशियल ऑयल है, तो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है. वैसे रिकमेंडेशन होता है टू मिक्स योर टी ट्री ऑयल अ फ्यू ड्रॉप्स इनटू योर फेवरेट मॉइस्चराइजर दैट यू यूज़, बट I have always used it directly. I take a few drops onto my finger and I apply it directly where I need it. ये आप 2-3 दिन use करो. I only use it at night before I sleep. And actually pimple नहीं होता है. मतलब the pimple, it starts growing out, you know it. इस पे apply करो and the pimple is not going to come out. Body Shop का भी मैंने use किया था. I didn't like it because it wasn't pure essential oil. It was mixed with some other liquid or chemical, so it wasn't as effective as this one. I think this is my second bottle and I really like it. तो ये हो गया pimples के लिए. Other thing I recommend is using a good toner. This is by Clinique, and this is number 2. This is for dry combination skin, which I have. इसमें I think 4 varieties आती हैं. Normal skin, oily skin, dry skin. There are 4 varieties, I suppose. आप जाके check करो. I prefer using a toner is because face washes, pollution, stress, in सब से ना your face loses its glow. And then you lose your pH balance of the skin, जैसे dryness, wrinkles, dark spots, uneven skin tone हो जाता है. This will bring it all back. It's यहाँ पे लिखा है to use it twice a day, but I only use it once because you know I get tired or lazy. You don't have to go out and buy this one because it's quite expensive. I think this is 3,000 rupees in Delhi, in India. There are lots of companies that make them nowadays. Go check it out on Nykaa.com. I'm sure most of you have that app. Go check it out. just search for toners and बहुत सारे options आपको मिलेंगे. Get any the ones that works for your skin tone. Look into the description कि किस आपकी skin tone के हिसाब से what would work for you. Other thing is, I've just recently started using this Kama Ayurveda rose water. You don't have to use this toner every day. This is non-alcoholic. By the way, this toner is alcohol based, so ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा strong है. That is why it works effectively on to your problematic areas. This is a distilled rose water. This is really good. It's a spray. I keep it in my fridge, and if you can find, this is easily available for everybody. हर किसी के घर पे ही मिलता है. Use this rose water. This is also good. These also work as a great toner, guys. You can use this also. On to the next step. If I get the chance once a week, I prefer using a face mask. This is the current one that I'm using by L'Oreal. This is a charcoal one, I suppose. Hanji, this is really good. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes, or once it starts drying, wash your face. I love using sheet masks. These are the current ones that I've been loving. बहुत सारे मैंने use करे हैं. Lots of company makes them. Check it out on Nykaa again. But these are the current ones that I'm loving. Also, great tip to do is keep it in your fridge. They get nice and cold, so it's really good to use. So once you've done, I'm not saying you face masks or sheet masks you have to use every day. Once a week you can do. Also, the other thing I do is once I wash my face, I've toned my face, I moisturize my face. I prefer using this facial oil. This is by Plum. This is a really good one. Just a few drops, rub it onto your face. It's really good. Once you're done with that, you can either use a night. I suggest using a night cream. So I use this one by Olay. This is the night cream, 7-in-1 anti-aging night cream. This is also very good. I'm using it recently. इससे पहले मैं use कर रही थी by Plum, the green tea night cream. This is also really good. And of course, how can I forget a good eye cream? Never ever forget to use an eye cream. All of these steps looks like a lot. I'm not saying you have to use all of them. Start from slow, start from one product at a time. You'll get to see the difference shortly. It's actually really good for you. And lastly and most importantly, please don't forget about your lips. Aapka lip area is also very soft and tender. So once in a while, I prefer using a lip scrub. कोई भी lip scrub use कर लो. आपको market से जाके खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can even make it at home with raw sugar and coconut oil. उसको एक container में store कर लो and use that to scrub your lips. And once you've scrubbed it, dead skin उतर गया, your lips will be nice and soft. I prefer using a lip balm on it. This is by Lineage. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. This is a very good one. It stays on all night. Morning में lips बिल्कुल nice and soft होते हैं, and they're perfectly in good condition for you to apply your lipstick or lip balm or lip gloss onto it. कोई भी lip balm नहीं मिल रहा है. Whatever you have at home, Borolene is also really good. ये काफ़ी thick है, but it's really good if you don't mind using it, or Vaseline. Vaseline is also very good. So these are the things that I use on my skin, on my face, and I've been loving it. I've seen a lot of difference, especially with my fine lines and wrinkles and dark spots and pigmentation I did have. Whatever face cream that you use, please don't forget to rub it onto your neck and your chest area, because ये neck and chest area भी बहुत जल्दी dull and wrinkly होना शुरू हो जाता है. So you have to be very careful of that also. And I think that is it. I will stop babbling and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks. Bye.